Good morning, everyone. We are just on the other side of Vancouver. Vancouver is over there. And this morning we are leaving the lower mainland to Vancouver Island. It's cold, kitty. So I like to park here once in a while in the morning. You see the boat, you see a little bit of action, people riding. It's beautiful. And that was my plan. But they changed a little bit the bylaw. Now it's a pay parking. No overnight parking, which was already there. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. you need to pay. And this girl doesn't want to pay. It's getting, I know it's just getting more and more of that, but even some trail around Squamish that we done last year, they now have create a big boardwalk, and I think I heard on online it's like $45 to do that trail that I done for free last year. So you know when you used to park somewhere for free or used to do something for free, and now it's just like a pay version of it. You're just like, don't feel like it. If I was just like traveling to the town, I think it would be worth it, especially in the morning here. It's morning is beautiful, but in the afternoon on a sunny day too, people are just like in the beach and just relaxing. But right now, don't really feel like it. So we're gonna move. All right, not the same view, but here it's free. We are at the mall. So it's kind of funny because I had kind of an idea of where I wanted my video to kind of look like. Actually, I just go with the flow. Obviously, like, things always change because I never know where I'm going to be or what. But I had an idea about going to a beautiful place. Hello, Kelly. Talking to you and sharing a couple little things that I wanted to share with you. So now, still gonna share what I want to share with you, but maybe it's just gonna be in the van. No beautiful background. Excuse me, Miss Kitty. What is it? What is it? So like I mentioned in my last video, we do take the ferry right now, but we're gonna take the ferry to Vancouver Island. Unfortunately, because they're doing some kind of construction on the terminal, I do have to book in advance. So I've done that yesterday. Everything was booked, and the first one was about 11 o'clock. That's at the plan. It's just kind of, I don't like appointment if I can't skip them. Are you gonna jump? Yeah, are you gonna jump over there? Yeah. So yeah, 11 o'clock is the ferry. We have to be there half an hour around that before. So we're gonna go there pretty soon-ish. But yeah, I do have a couple project. I kind of don't know what to share, how to share. That's the part that I didn't talk about that. So there will be some change this winter. Some change coming in my life, and you guys gonna be part of it. Pretty excited. I cannot share everything because this gets some tiny little detail and stuff that I need to figure out before I share the whole thing. But within a week or 2 or 3 maximum, you guys should know the whole thing, a whole project for this winter. I am beyond stoked. Really happy. But before I share too much and I talk too much, I'm gonna go have a quick shower because I want to have a shower before I take the ferry, and we're gonna have plenty of time to talk about this new project. So for the past months, maybe even more than a year, to be honest, I've been thinking that I kind of need to a little bit of change. And don't worry, the regular me living in the van with Kelly won't change. No plan of changing that. But it's gonna have some change. One thing that I have to change today, at least, is my little plan. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have a shower and go to the ferry, but I forgot on. Been too busy to try to tell you my story that I forgot why I parked at the mall this morning. It's because I need some butane, and they do have a Chinese market, Chinese grocery store. They do sell, what's up, you want to say hi? They do sell butane for half the price of a regular one. So we're gonna go grab that super fast and go to the ferry. Let's go do that. So I won't change, but I kind of need a little change, little spark, little something to grow, to evolve, that kind of thing. Alright, we got our butane. I got 2 of those 4-pack. They were $8 almost. They used to be like 6 something or whatever, but if I go to the Walmart, I think for a package of 3, I think they are 15, maybe even more. Yeah, it's way more expensive. So, and 1 can just lasts me a week and a half. So right now I probably have enough for 3 months, so pretty good. All right, we need to go get a ferry before we missed it. Hi.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
And you, thank you. Lane 11, just put the green car on the dash.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, mini wait. The boat just arrived. There's a positive about booking in advance is you don't have to wait, but sometimes I just don't know where I'm gonna be. But where we were in the story in the main part. So yeah, I need change. And one thing that you guys don't maybe know about me that I don't really share on YouTube, because the main subject is van life. I do have a big passion. Something that I really enjoy is business. I enjoy talking about business. I enjoy talking about you subscriber that made me maybe meet on the road that do have business. It's nothing spark my joy more and light me up than hearing like people who start a business. I think it's just like something beautiful about sharing your passion with the world. Like it's just like, for me, it's just like the best thing ever. But this winter is gonna be a business project that's coming up for me. Super stoked. Oh, we're moving. Where's my keys? Right here. All right, where I was. They have a new system for the entering the ferry now, and I was just, for a second, I'm like, did she put me on the right thing? Then I'm gonna be the bottom or the top because I don't fit to the top. We're good. So yeah, a new business venture that is quite like, it's not opposite of what I'm doing at all. It's like super like it's almost like it's the same. It's just like go with it. But yeah, it's a new adventure. And don't worry about like YouTube channel. It's not gonna really change. I'm not gonna start talking about businesses and stuff. It won't be that. All right, we have to go upstairs. Kind of funny that all the other ferry before that one was all full, and this one is not even full. So we can officially say it that we done back and forth our road trip now. This summer we only had one stop at the garage, which was for my seal brake caliper, something around that. But yeah, pretty happy, pretty stoked. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest. I thought that we would maybe have more issue. Love you, bud. I love you. Thank you. Yeah, we made it. Woohoo! So don't worry, guys. You guys gonna get all of the information as soon as I can share more. I will, like in a week or two, and I'm quite sure that you guys gonna be stoked, and that right now this doesn't make 100% everything like sense, but when I'm gonna tell you the idea and the project, you're gonna be, oh, this is cool and this is all makes sense. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm kind of curious if some of you will guess what the project exactly what it is. I have a feeling that not so many, or if even one person say it right. So if you want to guess, share in a comment. That'd be fun to hear your thought. And yeah, we are back on Vancouver Island. Yay. So I think I'm gonna leave you guys on that. And again, I'm gonna share more as soon as I can. Next week, 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. You guys gotta know the whole thing. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to hear more about this project and what's going on this winter, what we're gonna do. Like I said, I am stoked. I am really stoked. It's gonna be a nice change, and I'm excited. It's exciting. Change is good. I don't know why people are scared of change. Change is good. If you follow your passion and what you like, change is always good. So follow your passion, go after your dream, and don't forget to subscribe. That'd be awesome too. And I'm gonna leave you with Kitty as soon as she get out of underneath the bed. She doesn't like too much the ferry ride. They're quite loud. I put the screen on the window, the blackout, so it's kind of a little bit more cozy for her in the back there. But as soon as she's back, I'm gonna give you maybe she's gonna give you a little kiss. Who knows? Kitty, what are you doing? She's like, I know we're not out of the ferry. Gonna come when we're gonna be out of the ferry. All right, couple of minutes. Hey, Kelly, you had a good ferry ride? Hey, talking to you. You had a good ferry ride? Yeah? All right. Alright guys, we see you in the next one. See you in the next one.